Today, my brother and me are going to be drawing cherry. Easy for beginners. So let's start. Okay, we're going to be drawing a cherry. So in this page, he's never done it with me, so he's going to get muddled up. So yeah, so we're going to be drawing it here, right? In this part. Okay, so let's start. We're going to be starting with the head. So Christian, we're going to be going like this. In the middle of the page, like this.
Right here?
Yes. No, here. Let's make it a little bigger. Right?
Do
Right.
the dots. Do the dots. How?
Yes. Right, okay. And we're gonna, no, don't copy me on this one. Okay, now we're gonna keep here to separate, and then go from here, dot here, and then go from here. Like this. Now we're gonna do a little and then I'm gonna rub it. Remember, make sure to bring having like a pencil and a rubber, and make sure to like and I can't actually. No one can actually see. Move up. Yes, that's a picture. That's too small. That is too strong. And so we're gonna be making a cherry. So I want yours to be a little bigger, Krishna.
Another 20 minutes time. I'm gonna finish. Okay. Okay, Kaveri?
Done.
Wait, no. And I'm going to be doing, I'm just making, okay, yes. Now, this is how it's going to be looking like right now. And I'm just going to, yes. Yeah, that's what it's going to be looking like. And now we're gonna, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this side, right? Take off this side. We're gonna take off one side, and then you're gonna make it like, and then you're gonna take off the other side. So it's just like how you've seen it, and then you're gonna go like, and then we're gonna make it really close. Because you're gonna like make it like it's together. Right? Like watch. So you're gonna like you're gonna cut this side and this side, the inside, and then you're gonna go, I can show you guys. Just in a wee sec. So you're gonna make it like a little close, like this. Then I'm gonna be drawing the leaf.
And then
Excuse, rubble. And so this, and this.
I'm gonna put happy face.
No, like this. You don't need to rub out happy face. I'm gonna go. I'll just show you. I'm gonna go. So yeah, this is gonna be. I'm just gonna wear it for Christmas. Yes. Now is the fun part. Guess.
Coloring.
No.
Face.
Yes. So I feel like I'm gonna keep mine like this, and then this. Don't worry. You never actually did it. Right, let me draw that for you. It's supposed to be a little big Krishna. Like this. Like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? And then you're going to do this. Okay? So, this is one. And then I'm going to draw the other. I'm going to do this one like I always do it. And we're going to be doing, then on the other one, I'm going to be doing a smiley face. One's going to be a girl, one's going to be a boy. The one that's doing is going to be a girl. So yes, now it's just cherry. I'm just going to color it. But before that, I'm going to do cherry.
And then.
Oh, that looks so cool. This is his. That looks so nice. That looks actually so nice. Right. So subscribe for this one and like for this one. Subscribe and like. So now, guess what?
Color.
Yes.
Space time.
Okay, no.
Space time.
Okay, you're going to be using a red. You can choose what red you want.
I'm using the same as you.
No, you can't do French raspberry. You can do. No, you're not a dog. Okay, let's start coloring.
Which one is the big side?
Is the one that likes this. This one. Do it very carefully. Very carefully. Never out the lines. Christian, careful. Take time and make it slow. Guys, remember, take your time and make it slow. Okay, this one looks so creepy right now.
This is my one.
Yeah, this looks really nice. Remember to color the inside as well. Mascara.
I need some black.
Black? Okay.
No, I need some pink.
Pink.
For the mouth.
Which one's good? Pink tender. Right.
That pink candy is red.
What?
Is it seed mixing?
Oh, yeah.
That's pink, that's red. The boy can be. What are you doing?
No, I'm just looking at something. It's fine. Oh, goody goody.
There.
Yours is so cute. I love yours. Okay, now we're gonna.
Andy.
I know. I like. Go
Subscribe for my cute.
You haven't even done the leaf yet. Leaf. Do you want to use this one?
On the night.
Like this one?
No.
Okay. Guys! Where's my tender pink? Okay, now I'm going to be doing... Okay, that one's too bright. No way I'm doing that one. Right, I'm going to do something dark. Oh, that one's really nice. I like cherry green. Mascara, si kolikidiye. Mascara, si kolikidiye. And remember to do this as one as well.
Done.
Like this.
I think I'm messy.
Do that. Right. Okay, now, no. Line it like that. Right, we're done. Close it. I do not want this to lose. This is my pen. If this loses, I'm going to knock you in the head out. Okay. Like for mine.
And subscribe for my cute one. Look at my sister. Look at how cute mine is.
Like, subscribe.
Right? So like for mine, like subscribe for my sisters.
Okay. Bye. See you in our new channels. We have loads and yes. Bye.
Boo!
Right, okay, right.